Hi friends, let's discuss the cube root of perfect cubes. It's quite easy. You know one cube is 1, the cube of 2 is 8, the cube of 3 is 27, cube of 4 is 64. Similarly, till cube of 10 is 1000. Just remember these cubes. With the help of these, you can find the cube root of any perfect cubes. Let's see an example. Let's say a perfect cube number like 19683. First, what you have to do is group it into the pass of 3 from the right. 3 and rest whatever is remaining, leave it as it is. Now first see the last number, which is 3. Now trace these 3 in these numbers. It's in 343. The last digit is 3. So you can conclude that the last digit of the cube root of this perfect cube will be 7. Till here it's clear? Yeah. Now let's see the number 19, which is the perfect cube which can be subtracted by 19, the largest perfect cube. Here we can see it's 8, because any number greater than 8 will give a negative answer, which is not required. So it can be subtracted by 8. The cube root of 8 is 2. So the first digit of the cube root will be 27. So in simple terms, the cube root of 19683 is 27. Let's take one more example. Let's say one more perfect cube, 79507. As usual, from the right, 3 digits, pair it and leave the other 2 digits alone. Now check for the 7 in the table. It comes in 27. So you can clearly see that the last digit of this perfect cube will be 3. Now let's see the first 2 digits, which is 79. Now which is the highest perfect cube which can be subtracted from 79? In this case it's 64, and the cube root of 64 is 4. So the first digit will be 4. In simple words, the cube root of the number 79507 will be 43. So guys, it's too easy. Just know these 10 numbers and their cubes, and you can find the cube root of any perfect cubes. Thank you.